When doing a foundation repair project, there's a few things that you're going to want to go ahead and be prepared for. One is doing foundation repair is not a clean job. So our crews try the best that they can to minimize the amount of dirt that's around and the location of that dirt that's there when we excavate. So what our crews will do is the area that's going to be repaired, we'll stockpile all the dirt in that area, and so that way we can easily put it back whenever we're done lifting the home and re-leveling it. And so they'll put it in the area there, and like I said, the dirt's going to be the biggest thing that's in the way. The other thing is the holes. If you have pets, kids, we'll cover the holes with plywood, but obviously we would like for you to still not have pets and children or anybody really that is going to have foot traffic in that area to be walking over those holes. For the most part, that's about it. The other thing is like noise. Our hydraulic power packs sound like a lawnmower running, so you're going to hear probably a lawnmower sound for 8 hours of the day while the guys are there. But not a whole lot of noise disturbance, not like the pounding that you would think with pile systems or a big drill rig or anything like that running. So relatively low noise levels, so it doesn't really impact like your neighbors and things of that nature too, where they don't get all mad at you. Hopefully that helps. And next time maybe we ask Alexa a question. I don't know.